Today is the third day of our cross-country learning week, and we have been at Entebbe Regional Referral Hospital where we have our optical workshop, and we've been with our visitors from Ethiopia, Mozambique and Burkina Faso who were learning about how we screen people, prescribe glasses, and also how we distribute them across the country.
They have been able to see our dispensing room where the patient chooses a frame and then the frame is taken for fitting in the optical workshop. We have explained to them what we do when frames reach the optical workshop, and then we have taken them to our optical stores where we store our lenses and the frames. We really thank Light for the World for the wonderful work they have done for us.
You're most welcome to the teaching lab. It was set up around 10 years ago, and the director from the NURI program took up this. While Light for the World funded, the director continued with the teaching.
We have grown a lot since then. The current first year, who started in August, is our 12th intake. We now have 12 classes. The class that has full finished in June, the interns, there are 10 of them, and they'll be graduating in February, and the whole class passed. So that will now take us to 71 students as of next year that will have graduated. Optometry is recognized in Uganda now since 2018, and the people are licensed. All our students, even the ones who have just finished and are yet to graduate, have been employed. We have people employed before they even graduated. That's how much the demand is.
This place you see here was fully started and funded by Light for the World, and it is to really bridge the gap of provision of eye health services within the eye health space.